Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A6 launched in 2018. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and this pin is part of the box. Otherwise you could use also a paper clip. Okay, let us start with the pin. Now if you turn your phone a bit like this, then you will see on the side two SIM trays. So if you have the single SIM version, we will work just with the first one. So we just enter in the small hole in here, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So now you take your SIM card and enter it like this. So missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are below. So that construction you put back into your phone like this. And now we have entered the first SIM card. If you want to enter the second SIM card, in case you have the dual SIM version, you take the pin again or the paper clip and go with the edge in that hole here of the big one. And now we can remove the second SIM tray and enter the second SIM card in here. The same procedure, missing corner, and the contacts are below. Okay, and if you want, you can extend also as well with a micro SD card in that tray, so you can extend your memory with. And this construction you put also back into your phone, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. And yeah, thank you so much for this one. And maybe until next time. Ciao.